Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with at least one story you want in highlights. Open Instagram and go straight to your profile. Tap any story you've posted. If none, post a quick story now. Once you see the story, tap the highlight button at the bottom, then choose an existing highlight or select New and type a short name. Make sure the name fits visually. Emoji placement works best with short titles, so keep it concise before moving on to editing the cover. Now edit the highlight to control the cover. Open the highlight, tap More, then Edit Highlight. Choose Edit Cover to pick a frame from your existing story media. If you want a pure emoji cover, create a story with a centered emoji sticker first. Once that story is saved to Highlights, open Edit Cover and select the emoji frame. Alternatively, type an emoji directly into the highlight title for smaller icon display. This helps if you prefer a text-based cover, or the emoji isn't available. Finish by tapping Done and then check your profile grid to confirm the emoji appears correctly in the highlight circle. If the emoji looks cropped or off-center, recreate a story with the emoji sticker placed in the absolute center and repeat Edit Cover. Centering solves most cropping issues. If the emoji fails to display or shows as a blank square, make sure Instagram is updated. If that doesn't help, restart your device and reapply the cover. Once done, your highlights will show the emoji as intended.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.